Want to record smooth, slow-motion video on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra or Plus? Here's how to get the best slow-mo shots and which settings to use for better results. First, open the camera app. Now, swipe through the camera modes and tap More. From here, select Slow Motion. Once you're in, tap the Resolution or FPS option at the top. You'll usually see a couple of choices here. You can choose the resolution and frame rate. For example, Full HD at 240 frames per second will give you the best, smoother and slower motion effect. Slow motion video looks much better in good lighting, so try to record in daylight or in a bright room. You can also change your zoom level to get closer to the subject without moving too much. And if needed, you can turn the flash on from the top menu. Once you're ready, tap Record and capture the action. When you're done, tap Stop. Now open the video in your gallery. You can edit the clip right here, including trimming the slow-mo part and adjust which part plays in slow motion. And after that, you can either save or save a copy. And that's it. Now you know how to shoot slow motion video on your Galaxy S26 Ultra.